Show me one. Good. All right. So we are on the back slope of Mr. David Hort's house. Today is June 23rd, 2026. It's 72 degrees outside. That claim number is, here we go, 420G 1R234. All right, so right now we have 12 shingles approved for replacement on the back slope, 2 for the front and a couple for the right slopes as well. So I'm on the back slope right now. I have one of my wind damaged shingles here that I'm going to be attempting to repair. I just want to see if, with the condition of the shingles, if it's in a repairable condition. We've got some blistering and granule loss. We've got some fraying along the edges right now, so we're just testing out to see if we can do the approved repair. The shingles around it, they're all still sealed. This one's only partially unsealed. That one's unsealed, but it's not broken. So what I need to do first is find the edge of this shingle so I know kind of which direction I need to go. So I'm gonna start unsealing these now. All right, I got the edge here. So I'm removing this one. So this one's already creased. This one is still sealed. All of these are still sealed. What I want to go ahead and point out, that road frontage right here shows the back and it comes all the way around, shows the front. We have not identified this shingle yet, but we will be requesting an RLS. The shingle that I brought to put in place, this is a GAF Royal Sovereign because that's what we had at the office. But I've got it in weatherwood for the color. Obviously it's a gray roof, but until I can identify this shingle, I'm putting this in its place so that I don't leave any exposure on the roof. So that one's already unsealed. Looks like, no, okay, so far I'm okay. I'm gonna check the sealant strip on the shingles that are left on the roof too to see if it's still viable. I can kind of peek underneath it and it doesn't look like it's really existing anymore. That's gonna cause issues if we just try to spot repair this roof, but when I remove the shingle, I'll double check that just to be sure. Go ahead and get these nails out. Got some pull through on that one. All right. There we go. Shingle ripped around that nail a little bit, so we'll make sure we get some photos of that. There we go. You can kind of see it right there where it ripped a little bit, but once I pull it out, I'll be able to get better photos. Okay. And got some pull through on this one as well. That nail ripped through the shingle. Is kind of ripping. I'm trying to be gentle, but let that nail go. Here it is. We'll get photos of this too, but the shingle right here ripped around that nail. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to lift this tab up too far, but we'll get some photos of that. I should be able to pull this out now. All right, looks like we do not have any codes on this that indicates what the shingle is, so we'll definitely have to do that RLS to figure out what this is. You can see the sealant strip is really no longer intact. I know obviously this is one I pulled off the roof, but that's a good indicator of what's left on these. There's just nothing left that's going to reseal them to the roof to do that much repair work on this roof. 12 on the back and the 6+ on the front and right slopes as well. Again, this is a GAF because I don't know what this shingle is. Let me align this up here. Got that lined up there. Okay, all right. Go ahead and put this back in its place. Here we go, Mr. Roof Snake. Okay. Just trying to get this nail started. There we go. Oh, come on. One more on this row. These back where they came from. Like my roof snake kind of caused a little bit of an issue right here on the shingle. I was trying really hard not to press on it, but just putting that nail back in place damaged the bottom of this shingle. I'm gonna try to do it over here without causing the same problem there. They are pretty frail on the bottom. And last one, right back where I got it from. All right. Okay, so main concern with doing this repair, figuring out what that shingle is, if there's a compatible or similar product to put in its place. The sealant strip on these that are left is not viable. We'll get photos of that. A couple of abrasions that were caused by the snake here. We've got one here as well. Even though I was trying to be as careful as possible, still caused these problems here. And I'm guessing we've got some bruising on these shingles too from the snake where I was hammering those nails back in. So we'll get some photos of that as well. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video.